Kayondo Patrick n'omukundwa we akuguzibwe gye n'abatura bahacharo ekyagweri mugasani omurembo rwa Fort Portal Division ya Central ababiraba abiroma 20 orwa mukaga omwaka 2019 mukama akabagaruka mweshara zabo zo kutunga omwana w'omwishiki nukwe okumuzarra hirwaro erya Fort Portal. Omwana ogu abazire be nibagira ngu akazarwa tari mu mbeera nungi.
Yabetali nke ya buli kinkabana nko kubakora buli kirungu nayongeraho kongeraho weight abokuba kabalive na kabali anda weight yali kilo 2 nekichweka na mbere ya zaliro twalinda twaga omwana neja kuonka amata na akura nayongera bitu yagumaga na keha twayetegereza ngo omwana nayitaga kukoraki kongera kucekingo twamugara buhinga mu irwaro
ahirwaro lya Virika Hole family omuri Fort Portal niboreka ngu okucheberwa okwakozirwe aha mwana ogu bakashanga ngu aine obuzibu oburi kumanywa nka unthroated cerebral palsy.
Twikara kale ubomezi ubone ikara lwirwaro okuruga mukairako taina improvement yone yakozere ngo mwana gamba ngo hati stage yenu ya sanati yagumaga nagaruke nyuma ati ndito twagumyaga mu irwaro buri marwaro katandikira buhinga twagenda mu irwaro lya Alpine twagenda mu irwaro lya Great Lakes twagenda Virika ebarohezo zona tuzina then harona marwaro amatayito abokwanko kutulibekiya umwana wa kwatu haboko bomezi bobona na samkaga zekiro twabaga twitaga kujya mu irwaro
nabike bolekere abamulikiro mwana ogo niboleka aine kizubu cy'omutima ikizubu cyo iti murungereza nabakiti is congenital ngo mwana nazara na cyakine ubundi ni mukino nubanikiro bakuba cyalmunda atakazerwa hero ubundi nabakigwaho amazira kuzara. This problem is called a tetralogy of Fallot. It's a tetralogy of Fallot. Tetralogy of Fallot ngo nikitia kwa mrutoro ni endwere iyo mwana kuzara nayo akuruga nayo munda kandi akayija hero mukagera undi bakagera cyalmunda.
Dr. Jumba arari nagira ngu omutima gw'umwana ogu ogwahine gwine bizibu bina ebitari kumwikiriza kuba omumbera nungi ez'abandi bana.
Number 1, there is a problem with the vessel that carries the not oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. That vessel has a problem. Then the second problem is there is a defect in the ventricles of his heart. No ventricles, these are two chambers of the heart, two lower chambers of the heart. The lower blocks of the heart have a problem. There is a communication in between them. Then the third issue, the major artery of his heart or his body is covering the whole heart and also misplaced on the right, it is on the right side of the heart. Then the other problem is that there is a hypertrophied or a very thick right ventricle.
Kumanya ngo mwana ogu aine kizibu eki Dr. Jumba nagira ngu okututuka munonga omwana obutazana nk'abandi nebindi.
Icyamana muno kirikurura omwana atakuzana muno omwana agenda kuzana naho amani bwango kututukanya mwingi kututuka muno increase the perspiration then aho mwana tarukura unko kubagenzi be barukura bemyaka egyo ikwa kwesera kuguruma stunted growth so mwana kuguruma bitageno mwana mutima gumuto gurukutera umubana abo mutima no gutera kubi.
We Patrick nagira ngu obwahati ebintu byona ebyabira ine abeguruze byamuhwaho ari kugezaho okuragurira omwana ogu kandi kwe kushaba obuhwezi okumuhwera tere nambezi 0776 88 38 eriyo mazina ga akuguzibwe gye narshi 0776 33 14 92 eriyo mazina ga Kobugabe Goret gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.